Dad, you're not involved.
Okay. We're good then. All good.
I just need to be careful what I do with the videos, that's all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because
there ain't no need. I just don't want to put anything on you out on the air that's happened 10, 20 years ago. You know.
I know. Can't move stuff if I'm filming, really. It's hard.
That's good, right there.
Yeah, I can't. It's hard for me to hold a phone and film and move something. Three of them things are hard together.
Three.
They are. Like, I should sit the phone down if I have to move something, huh? Huh, Mom?
Yeah, these just ain't. That's it.
Okay.
I mean, there's only one that ain't really. I mean, they already was tight, for real. You know what I mean? Yeah. This is the only one that's not.
Okay. Once I get this stud, it'll be alright. The side's done. Go over here.
On the air.
Can you do two in that one or not? In this one, because it's weird.
No,
It ain't gonna
it's
help.
just different size wood.
Oh, really?
No, boy.
Looks a little better, huh? A lot, actually.
Ain't nothing wrong with this deck. Right. Ow.
What's up, Doug?
Saved me $3 grand on it. I'm not hearing no shit about nothing. For real. You know, I'm serious too. I'm not just talking. I'm dead serious. I don't want to hear nothing about nothing. I have a problem.
Yeah. This ain't no nitpick thing. Type situation. If it was a $5,000 deal, maybe, huh?
Yeah, I mean, if it was, yeah.
Not that you could even do a bad job anyway.
Yeah,
so what the
that's
heck?
the problem.
Yeah.